Good morning, everyone. Excuse me. Better have some coffee. Oh boy. Recently, and it was they were clearance, chock full of nuts, and that's pretty darn good coffee. I remember seeing it in that one movie at the beginning, and it had two famous actors, but they both had cancer, and one was like this millionaire, and can't remember the name, but he was the lawyer in Easy Rider, famous guy, and the other is that black actor I like, older guy, Shawshank Redemption, don't remember his name, but they were in this movie, and that was a pretty good one. Like I say, the one guy was just a mechanic, and at the beginning they showed him ashing his cigarette out in a chock full of nuts can. And I was at the grocery store the other day and looked at that, and they're clearance. So I bought one, and it tastes pretty good. So I went back the next day and bought 3 more cans. It was $2.88 a can, for like a, I don't know, about the size of that, Well, I was tinkering around with the bike after I got back from the post office this morning. I had to ship out some supports for a sissy bar I had. So when I got back, I pulled the seat off, and I found this other seat up in the attic. Here it is. It's kind of a older seat. Not the best over here, but it's a Corbin Gentry. I've had this long time, but it needed a little bit more. So I cleaned this up, and I'll weld this on the underside, and that's about how it'll look. Well, we can't see it that well. But I got to round it up, clean it up. I weld it and drilled the hole where it should be. It was either that, or I was going to have to bend these forward, which pitches the seat back. Excuse me. And decided, no, I'll just go ahead and do that. But then the mail lady dropped some stuff off. So, let's see what we got. I already peeked. Got my Bendix carburetor with the adjustable main jet. So we'll be tinkering with that. I don't know. That looks like an air fitting to me, but it probably works. I'll have to check it out. I just got it. I still have to get the cable that goes up and then works it in between the dash, in the nut on the dash. I can get one of those cables. And then I'll have to get or I'll make it, the support that comes off the back, is where the cable lifts up and lifts this up. So it's kind of hard to do it. Yeah, there you go, like that. And then I got the other day, it was like for $7. Of course, I had an old container, so I put them in here, and I found my Bendix. It came with an old kit, that old Zenith kit up here. I've had that for a long time, so I took everything out, and so this will be my Bendix, because this one here is mainly for S&S and CV carbs. So got a lot of little odds and ends. I got the same thing. I used to do 1911s, 45s, and I got a whole assortment of little parts. I used to collect the old ones from the 20s, 30s, 40s. I got one left. Gave one to my son. He ended up, I think, selling it or pawning it. That was made in Argentina in the 30s, I believe. On Colt machinery down in Argentina. But, so I got all these. I had a lot of the gaskets. But I've got a whole bunch of the main jets. I'm starting to remember, come back to me now, exactly numerically how things work and how the sizes are in the holes. So it'll give me something to tinker with. But yeah, I got that. The carb came in. And then let's see what we got here. This will be really hard to do. This is like these, adjustable. Now those are just in too bad a shape. I think I got a couple of them that were just too bad. But I was able to clean those up. Maybe that last one there's a little too rusty. Maybe those are the good ones. But I got four more in case I need them. Push rods. Let's see, I don't know what was in here. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Another set of weights for the points. I got some of those over here. Got a couple of extra weights and odds and ends in there. So let's see, got that. Let's see. What we got? Got some gears. It's the blue gear for cam. Let's see, what's this one? Oh. Got a couple more plates. I do get a few of those. Got them up there. But it was, I don't know, like $10 or something. I got a cat eye thing. Yeah, maybe I'll put it back on eBay. I got a lot of those, so I just put them on eBay. Points cover thing. Got a plate. What is that? That's the old 3-hole. So I got a few of those. So I'll put that over here. Let's see what else we got. Oh, always, it's good to have those, especially if that gets a little noisy. So I got 4 of those. Rocker arms. Let's see. I don't know what's in there. We'll save that for the end. That may take. Oh, this. Holy moly. Well, it's a nice piece of flat stock. Let's put it that way. We'll put that over here because I got a press. Now I got it. Somebody threw it out. That side was good. That leg was missing. So I made it out of 2x4 first. And that lasted but finally broke. So I found some pipe I had, run it down to the ground there. And I made sure it was straight. So at least I got something I can, it's not a super strong press. I had to fix that too because that was all bent. That may be something just as a plate. Because I got a lot of little things here for like pushing. If I need to push stuff out. Let's see. Shift arm. Let's see. Now this lever, I'm not sure. Gosh, it almost reminds me something like from an FX. Where it comes through the primary. But yeah, that's what I got here. Got all that stuff from Gnarly Davidson Harley parts. Maybe a sticker. I'll find a place for the sticker. Then I got this. These probably were here. So, got a flasher. A couple lights. Always the old lights are hard to find anymore. That. Let's see what's in here. Hold on, let me sit you down. Sorry for the suspense. Wait a minute, suspense is good. Let's see what's here. Merry Christmas. They put a lot of stickers around it. Yeah, one of these days I have to get one of them fancy tripods. I don't know what's in here. thanks for sticking around and waiting. Oh. A whole set of points. Always good to have, and you know it's the better ones, older ones, when it's got the little felt in there that you can put the oil on. So that's good. It's a nice heavy backing thing too, because now they're really cheap and thin. So that's what I've been up to. Tinker around a little bit. Main thing, I'll start working on this after I finish the seat. Go through it, give it the once over. Determine what the size. I think they made them in 38 and 40, 38 millimeter and 40. I have to check that out. Get out the old caliper and we'll give it a whirl. Well, I'll catch you guys later. Oh, it's not too long a video. Have a good weekend. It rained yesterday late, but I think I had to put a short on about that. But other than that, cleaned out the gutters. Oh, there goes. Oh, I missed it. Another ground squirrel. It's like a highway around here. Well, yeah, I cleaned out the gutters in the middle of the rainstorm. Hey, that's when the water's flowing. That's when you know. So I cleaned them out. Off it goes. Got a rain barrel outside for catching water. And, well, I'll catch you guys later. Like I said, have a great weekend. Everybody, peace.